Hey guys, it's Noki. Welcome back to my channel. I know I sound a little bit weird today because I'm kinda under the weather right now, but I really do want to share this very exciting unboxing video with you guys. I received this parcel yesterday from Lisa Eldridge. As you guys might know, she got some really beautiful, exciting lipstick collection going on. I saw the swatching video from her and I was like, should I order them all since I got a whole lot of lipsticks at home? I wasn't sure, so I was thinking, then everyone got it and it seemed so beautiful. So I went online again. I wanted to get some. A lot of them are out of stock. I ordered the Ultimate Velvet Mix collection, which including Velvet Muse, Velvet Decay, and Velvet Ribbon. And I also got one previous shade, which is Velvet Morning. I kind of want to compare them all. Okay, shall we start? So you can see this pouch and open it. You can see 3 lipsticks well packed in this. The pouch itself, it's quite pretty. It's a very elegant red and velvet texture. You can see it's very useful. I personally quite like it. You can see the really cute Lisa card. The packaging is quite pretty. So this 3 shades, Velvet Decay, Velvet Ribbon, and Velvet Muse. Quite autumny, wintry color. I guess I'll start from the lightest one, which is Velvet Muse. Have a closer look on this color. It's kind of dark brick, very elegant, very beautiful. Velvet Muse kind of reminds me of Pomegranate Matte Trans Omi, one of my favorite color from Pat. It's very smooth. I love this color already. It looks like a dark bricky color, but on my lips it's dark pink. Very feminine, elegant. Okay, the second color, Velvet Ribbon. Bright blue tone red, a little bit cherry red. Velvet Ribbon reminds me a little bit from Pomegranate Matte Trans Elson. They are both blue tone red. High pigmented, just one layer. I didn't make it perfect because you kind of need some time, but you can see the color is very bright. It's a good color for those girls got yellow undertone and you want to cut down because it makes you look paler and look formal. If you're wearing a dress or an evening gown, it's totally suitable for that kind of situation. It looks elegant, professional, and feminine. I wouldn't say it's a day-to-day lip color, but it's very pretty. Make my teeth look white as well. And I have to say this bright red Velvet Ribbon, it's surprisingly easy to remove because when I just removed it with a makeup wipe, it's like this. Normally, this kind of red color, it would take a little bit of time to remove, but this one was easy. Okay, Velvet Decay, it's a dark mauve. I thought it was a more brownish color, but it wasn't. Ooh, it's definitely a taupey mauve. You can feel the purple vibe, but not too dark. Still suitable for my purple hair. Velvet Morning. I bought it on eBay because when I realized Lisa Eldridge, she got a lipsticks collection, it was all out of stock already. Okay, let's have a look. Another red compared to Velvet Ribbon. Velvet Morning, it's a bright orangey red. I have to be honest with you. The first time I tried on Velvet Morning, I was like, yeah. I wasn't quite sure about myself with this kind of orangey red. It will bring out the yellow undertone. Can you see it? Now I look more yellowy. And my teeth becoming a little bit yellow as well. That's why I don't like it. It's not a bad color, just I prefer Velvet Ribbon a bit more. After trying on 4 different colors, 3 from the Ultimate Velvet Mix and 1 from the previous collection, my favorite color is Velvet Muse. It's on me right now. And Velvet Ribbon, I quite like. It's formal compared to Velvet Muse. You need to choose the occasion to use that, but still beautiful. And the Velvet Decay, I'm not so sure because it's a little bit mature on myself. I will keep trying. If I find out a way it will work, I will let you guys know. For the texture, they are quite smooth to apply on, and they are surprisingly really easy to remove. For the price, it was £26 per lipstick, and because I purchased the trio collection, so it was £25 each. It's the same price to Charlotte Tilbury. For example, like Pat McGrath, her lipsticks is like £35 to £37, and this one is like £10 cheaper. So I'm quite happy with them. I think I would be happy to purchase some more if I can still find any other color I like, because a lot of them are out of stock already, unfortunately. But I would suggest if you want to try it and you're still thinking, go get it. It's worth the money. The colors are beautiful. The price is reasonable. So I couldn't think any reason why you don't get one. The only downside I would say for this lipsticks is you can only get it on Lisa's website. You couldn't get it elsewhere. So here it is, my honest review for Lisa Eldridge's Ultimate Velvet Mix collection. I hope you guys like it. If you have any other recommendations, such as some other shades I should definitely get, or some question about these shades I already got, leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe me and hit the bell to get notification if I got new videos. I will see you next time. Bye bye!